break. And we have some breaking inputs coming in as well. We're given to understand that in the fake video of Amit Shah case, the Chief Minister of Telangana has denied the charges. Remember, he was summoned by the Delhi police. Revanth Reddy's lawyer, in fact, has responded to the Delhi police notice in Amit Shah fake video case. Revanth Reddy has denied allegations that he was operating the INC Telangana Twitter account. In fact, Revanth Reddy's counsel said that the Chief Minister only used 2 Twitter accounts. One was CMO Telangana and his own account, his personal account. So the question raised by Delhi police is irrelevant that he or his account was used to upload or share that video.
After summons being issued to the Chief Minister of State of Telangana by the Delhi police within 24 hours of filing the FIR, now the first reply has come up from the Chief Minister of the state, where we are joined by Soumya, who is representing the Chief Minister of the State of Telangana, Mr. Revanth Reddy. Soumya, what was the reply which you have given so far? Because as you know that he was sent summoned under CRPC section 91.
Yes. So the short reply is that he is not handling the Twitter handle which has the alleged video, from which the alleged video has been shared, and that's been the short reply of the notice.
But INC Telangana was a Twitter handle which was mentioned in the summon. Delhi police says that CM was using it. What is the clarification on that?
The Chief Minister is not using it. He has his personal and official Twitter handle, which are other than the Twitter handle that you just mentioned, which is INC Telangana, and that's about it.
Are you expecting any more clarification which could come out from the Delhi police side, and whether CM will be coming personally here, because the summon was sent to him to come here personally, give the mobile handset? Is that happening right now?
See, the summon had presumed that he is the owner and the handler of that Twitter account, and the reply has been given that he is not, and that's about it. So we have responded to whatever notice was issued, and whatever questions were asked, a very pointed response has been given to those questions.
Thank you for talking to us. There you heard Soumya, who is representing the CM of Telangana.
Right, so you heard the counsel representing the Chief Minister of Telangana, Revanth Reddy, who says that he is using only 2 Twitter accounts. One is CMO Telangana, the other one is his personal account. So there's no question of him using the account that the Delhi police is talking about to upload or share the video. Remember, the Delhi police had summoned Revanth Reddy, and its special cell, in fact, lodged an FR in connection with the circulation of a doctored video of Amit Shah's speech, where he's talking about reservation on different social media platforms. Priyank is joining us with more details. So Revanth Reddy is denying charges that have been levelled against him.
Yes, Swati, and we have also managed to get the exclusive copy of the reply which has been sent by the Chief Minister of the State of Telangana. And as I go through the copy, the copy clearly says that my client does not operate with the X handle INC Telangana and is unable to provide the information sought by you. Your attribution that the video tweeted or retweeted by the Twitter handle is preconceived and incorrect. It is categorically stated that my client has nothing to do with the creation or the uploading of the tweeting of this particular alleged fake video. My client Twitter handle is @Revanth _ Anmula, and there's no tweet which has been sent from that. So that's a clear, very rebuttal which has come out from the INC's Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, who is the Chief Minister of the State of Telangana, that Delhi police perceived it wrongly, and the aspersion which was casted by the Delhi police is certainly incorrect to be put in, because CM is not holding this particular Twitter handle, which is INC Telangana, which was presumed by the Delhi police.
Right, so the Chief Minister has refuted charges through his counsel. We in fact have a reaction coming in from Revanth Reddy himself. Let's listen in.
मोदी जी, आज तक अमित शाह जी ईडी, इनकम टैक्स, सीबीआई को इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे चुनाव जीतने के लिए। अभी मेरे समाचार मिला है, तेलंगाना कांग्रेस पार्टी ऑफिस में दिल्ली पुलिस पहुंचा हुआ है। सोशल मीडिया में कोई पोस्टिंग लगाया, इसीलिए तेलंगाना के कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को, तेलंगाना मुख्यमंत्री को हम अरेस्ट करते बोल के नोटिस लेकर तेलंगाना गांधी भवन में पहुंच गए। इसका मतलब नरेंद्र मोदी जी ईडी, इनकम टैक्स, सीबीआई हो गए, अभी दिल्ली पुलिस को इस्तेमाल कर रहे चुनाव जीतने के लिए। यहाँ पर कोई डरने वाले नहीं है भाई, यहाँ पर पलट के जवाब देने वाले हैं। देखेंगे आने वाले चुनाव में नरेंद्र मोदी जी और अमित शाह को हरा के दिखाएंगे कर्नाटक और तेलंगाना में।
With that, we're slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue. Stay on with us.